There's a language that doesn't need words. It lives in the smell of something warm, in the extra effort someone made just for you. Many of us felt loved through food. She never asked for a thank you. She just showed up. Every single day. She made sure everyone else was taken care of before herself. Certain smells still bring me right back. She had a gift for making ordinary days feel like something worth remembering. The best recipes were never written down. They lived in her hands, made with love. This Mother's Day, we're giving that love back. Tangy, spicy, a little sweet. The kind of food that wraps its arms around you. She spent years making sure we were seen. Fed, loved, taken care of. Today, it's our turn. Because sometimes the most important thing you'll ever say to your mom, you won't say at all. You'll just put it on the table. And she'll understand every word. Happy Mother's Day.